Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your contacts to avoid accidental loss. Open Settings and navigate to Accounts and Sync. Confirm Google or iCloud Sync is enabled and running. Open the Contacts app from your home screen or app drawer. Make sure you are signed into the correct account where contacts are stored. Check available storage and verify sync completed within the last 24 hours. If necessary, export a VCF file to local storage as an additional backup before you proceed with deletion. Use the search bar at the top of contacts to locate the person quickly. Type the name or specific number digits to narrow results instantly. Tap the contact to open the full details and review every phone number listed. Look for labeled numbers such as mobile, home, or work to avoid deleting the wrong one. Check if the contact is linked across accounts like Google, iCloud, or a device-only entry. Confirm which account holds the canonical version before making any changes. To remove a single phone number, open the contact and tap Edit at the top right. Scroll to the specific number field and tap the minus or delete icon next to it. Confirm removal by saving the contact using Save or Done at the top. For multiple contacts, return to the list, long press one contact, then tap Additional Contacts to select them. Use the Trash or Delete option, then confirm the bulk deletion. Allow a few minutes for changes to sync across Google or iCloud accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.